Ever felt overwhelmed by the stock market? Like it's a game only Wall Street insiders can play? You're not alone. Investing can seem daunting, especially for beginners. That's where platforms like Stashaway come in. But are they legit? Are your hard-earned savings safe with them? Let's dive in. Stashaway is an automated investment platform, basically a robo-advisor. They use algorithms to build and manage diversified portfolios based on your risk tolerance and investment goals. Sounds fancy, right? But does it actually work? First things first, legitimacy. Stashaway is regulated by the Monetary Authority of Singapore, MAS, a reputable financial authority. This means they operate under strict guidelines, ensuring your investments are handled responsibly. Now, let's talk safety. Your investments are held in segregated accounts, meaning they're legally separated from Stashaway's own assets. This protects your money even if Stashaway faces financial difficulties. Stashaway offers a range of investment options, from low risk to high risk, catering to different investor profiles. They also provide educational resources and tools to help you understand your investments better. However, like any investment platform, Stashaway has its limitations. Fees. While their fees are generally competitive, understand the different fee structures. Customization. If you prefer a highly customized investment strategy, Stashaway might not offer the level of control you desire. Ultimately, whether Stashaway is right for you depends on your individual circumstances and investment goals. Do your research, compare options, and don't hesitate to reach out to a qualified financial advisor for personalized guidance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.